In a village that lies at a distance of 12 miles from the nearby town lives Lakshmi and his three-member family. The roads are long and winding. It seems like a long stretch. A truck in the middle of the road finally makes way for us. Lakshmi says he was used to wandering aimlessly most of the time. He had very little resources to battle with. His small half-acre of land was a very difficult prospect. The manual effort was an impossible task to do on an everyday basis. How could one look at any consistent yield with this task, says Lakshmi. Failing to meet the simple aspirations of his children and his wife made him feel miserable, he admits. His debt of $111 was only increasing by the day. Bricks and construction sites became his new support system. He forced himself to whatever he could do there to get some earnings home, he says. Things were going nowhere, and Lakshmi says his wife had lost all hope too. A chance landing up at a film show on a video van perked him and his wife up, he says. The story was inspiring, and the KB song in the film was going to be his song too, of a new life he felt. His wife was excited too. The details of a KB demonstration to be held in their village he decided not to miss at all. It was a great day for him, he admits. The technologies shown simply left him bewildered. The answers to all his woes lay before him bare. The explanations were easy to understand, and the demonstration of STP was good. The bucket kit was fascinating. Witnessing the way the water could make its way into the field made him happy like never before. I went and made way to buy the KB pump, he says. The dealer was friendly. Lakshmi says that both he and his wife went ahead with excitement and went about till the water gushed out gracefully. It was a sight that made both feel elated. They felt that great days would follow them now. Lakshmi admits that now he could feel the possibilities. With time and income, he also planned for the drum kit. That, he says, would now liberate him to do even greater things. One day, a village-based mechanic of KB was passing by and he educated Lakshmi about the vermi wash units. He guided him in establishing it. Lakshmi admits that this was an added impetus to his already strong line of assets. Harvests were never the same again for Lakshmi, he says. The yields were multiple over time, and income from welcoming markets made his life strong. He says he felt fulfilled when his wife gave him money from the home savings treasury. The kitchen benefited with all this inflow. There was no dearth of choice, and Happy Meal Days was constant. A full-fledged kitchen was a great sight too. Taking children to school every day was another phase of glory for him. They now had a very secure future, he admits. Lakshmi says that he felt no less than a superman with KB Technologies for support.